rolling.
One down, is that rolling?
Yeah.
See you on the flip side. Hey guys, welcome to Real Simple workout number 15. Today's workout is another outdoor workout. So it's one set for our Saturday outdoor sessions. And really excited to bring it to you so you guys can get in the outdoors and enjoy hopefully this sunny weather over the weekend, fingers crossed. Today's workout is an 18-minute AMRAP. Very similar for the 3 different levels of beginner, intermediate and advanced. And what we're doing is essentially 3 different movements. So first movement is a 20-meter shuttle, run, jog, walk, okay? So when I say shuttle, I mean 20 meters up and 20 meters back. So that just means setting up, a cone or a marker of some sort. 20 really big strides if you don't have a tape measure or a watch or a phone to measure out the 20 meters. But 20 meters up, 20 meters back. The idea is to try and run. If you can't run, jog. If you can't jog, walk. But 20 meters up, 20 meters back. Movement number 2 is 20 meters of walking lunges. So as soon as we get back, we turn around and we're doing our walking lunges all the way up to that cone or that marker that we have set. With our walking lunges, the standard that we're setting for the advanced and the intermediate is back knee needs to touch the floor in every single lunge that we do. Okay, we need to stand up at the top before we do our second repetition. Okay, so back knee touches the floor, stand up at the top before we go into our second rep. What we don't want to see is staying really low. So if we go like this and we don't want to stay really low like so, we need to stand up all the way at the top. 20 meters up, 20 meters back of the walking lunges. So lots of lunges. And then our third movement is 10 push-ups. So push-ups is dependent on the level that you're at. Obviously the advanced crew, we're after push-ups on our toes. So like this, all the way down, all the way up, okay? Our intermediate crew are gonna go down on the toes, up on the knees. And then our beginner crew, we can be doing knee push-ups if you're able to. Otherwise, you're looking at trying to elevate your hands up and do the knee push-ups to something that's a little bit higher than the ground. The catch is that every single round that we run through, the shuttle, run, jog, walk will increase by 1. So in round 1, 20 meters up and 20 meters back. In round 2, we have to go 20 up, 20 back, and then again, 20 up, 20 back. Round 3, we're doing it 3 times, and so on and so forth. Obviously meaning that the further through the workout you get, the more you're gonna be running, jogging or walking, okay? So that's today's workout, guys. Enjoy the workout. Obviously we want you to push yourself, but just enjoy being in the outdoors and enjoy pushing yourself in the park or wherever it is that you choose to do this workout. Obviously same thing, scores below, scores are the amount of rounds you finish plus the amount of reps you get into the next round. Enjoy, and we'll see you in the next video. And as always guys, we'll have a link at the bottom of this video. If you guys are interested, you can join our online Facebook community. Obviously giving out free workouts, nutrition, and just a place for people to be if they're trying to improve their health and fitness. So if you know anyone, invite someone along or join if you haven't already joined yourself. See you guys in the next video.